you like to find out if the amount of liquid determines how quickly it cools?
Yes.
Well, my name is Kayla, and I'm doing this project, and I wanted to find out about this because during the science blog, we were doing this project, and I really wanted to go in deeper because they were doing about insulated bottles and stuff like that. So I really wanted to do it if it determined how quickly it cools. So my hypothesis was that the one filled with the most water will be the one that will take longer to cool because the coldness will take longer to travel through the amount of big mass for the hot water. And I like to thank Mr. Solars a lot because he had all the materials needed and he gave me everything. And I like to thank my family because they let me stay out late with stuff. And for my procedure, I was going to get my room first, and then I would set the graph to a certain time and stuff like that. Then I'll get all my materials laid out, as you see right here, and measure the cups, and then I'll start. Yeah, that's me doing the measuring. And the materials, I had these computers, I had some cups, I had a gallon of water, I had paper towels and stuff like that. And so my graph was about the changes in temperature. So like I picked this type of graph because for the change is most important because you want to find out if it determines how quickly it cools, because that's the change in temperature. And here's my data sheet of all the information I have, and the highlighted part is the average of the change in temperature. So I just wanted to point that one out. And in conclusion, the studies did show, due to our data sheet, that the one with the biggest cup would take longer to cool, so it kept its warmth the longest. And with the smallest cup take not a lot of time to cool, so it cooled faster because it had smaller amount. But for my future study, if I decide to do this, a future study is kind of like this, but you just do a little tweak to it so you can change it.
So you kind of put it different.
Yeah, put it a little different, but you don't change it all the way. So I want to find out if you put the same materials on these guys, the cups, but keep their same, keep these same amounts. Do you think that will affect how it changes? So if my question, if I was going to do this again, my question would be, does the amount of liquid determine how quickly it cools if I put the same materials on it? And so this is my science fair and everything on it. So any more questions?
No, I really like your science project.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.